QuranVerse 83, Chapter 2, Al-baqarah, English translation, by Shabbir Ahmed, MD, Florida. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ لَا تَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا وَذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَقُولُوا لِلنَّاسِ حُسْنًا وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ ثُمَّ تَوَلَّيْتُمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا منكم وأنتم معرضون. Al-baqarah 38. God never promised unconditional favors to any nation, the children of Israel being no exception. And remember, when we took a covenant from the children of Israel, serve none but God, be generous to your parents, and to family and relatives, to orphans, widows, and those left without any means of support to make progress in the society, to those who have suffered loss of income, the disabled, the needy, and the poor. Speak to people kindly and treat them nicely. Help establish the divinely ordained system of life, salat, and set up the economic order of zakat. Then after that, you slid back, except a few of you, and you turn away from these commandments even now. Salat, to follow closely, like a runners-up, musali, follows the winning horse, sa'abik, say, follow God's commands closely. Aqimu salat equals establish the system that facilitates the following of divine commands. 2 to 3. Zakat equals divinely ordained economic order in which people work according to their capacity and get compensated according to their needs. It is the system in which all members of the society flourish and, with their basic needs having been met, they are able to rise up on the ladder of self-actualization. The cornerstone of this economic order, the God-given natural resources and wealth are the common property of all, and every individual willfully leaves for the welfare of others whatever is over and above his needs. The central authority will be responsible for administering and maintaining the economic order of zakat. 2219, 2241, 2712, 5339. Unfortunately, under the influence of fabricated hadith, most commentators of the Quran confuse zakat with sadaqat. The latter means voluntary charity,